All right, 10-4 PowerPoint. I'm going to try this differently. I'm going to videotape this off of my computer screen. So we're going to post all the individual items and all of the totals from the cash receipt journal to the general ledger. And we're going to prepare a schedule of accounts receivable. And if you remember, in Chapter 9, we did a schedule of accounts payable. So in the cash receipts journal, start over here. And all the individual items here will be posted into the subsidiary ledger. So look in the accounts receivable column, take the amount that's a credit, and when you come to the subsidiary ledger, it will be a credit as well. On your homework, you're going to see these columns and this section. This is called totaling, proving, and ruling the cash receipts journal. All these numbers come off the column totals. Simply put the debits on the left, the credits on the right, and if they equal, you know all these column totals are correct. You also have to prove cash at the end of the month. You start off by the cash on hand at the beginning of the month. It'll either be given to you in the example, or it's the cash account to start the month. We're going to add the cash received during the month. This is the total of the cash debit column from the cash receipts journal. Take these two, add them together. I had a total of $76,000. However, I also have to subtract the cash paid during the month. That amount will either be given to you, or it comes from the total of the cash credit column in the the cash payment journal. You subtract these two numbers, you'll get this number, $52,465, and you'll compare it to the checkbook balance on the next unused check stub, which will also either be given to you, or you have to look in the cash amount column. So we're going to post the special amount column totals of a cash receipts journal to a general ledger. So I'm going to go to accounts receivable, and I'm going to credit that number. So it's right here, and it's down here. It's been credited. I'm going to go to sales, and I'm going to credit this column total. It was done for you down here as well. And then I'm going to take the column total of the sales tax payable credit, and I'm going to come down here and credit it. And I'm also going to post the column total of the sales discount as a debit. It's right here. You'll come down here, find the account name in your general ledger, debit that, give me my new balance. And last but not least, you will post the total of the cash debit column to the cash account in the general ledger as well. So here's all your completed accounts receivable ledger. Here's the companies that you're dealing with. You're going to take their ending balance, and you're going to create a schedule of accounts receivable. List them all. It may be in alphabetical order, highly probable. If there's a zero balance, you still have to include them. So I don't think, hey, did you forget Belk and Jensen? List them all, list their balances, add them up, and this number, 10,498, should equal the value in your accounts receivable ledger, which is the controlling ledger. And remember, this is the subsidiary ledger. So this number must equal the balance in your accounts receivable ledger. Thanks, guys.